Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to improve the laser door that we made in the previous videos and make it more advanced. If you like this video, please like the video and leave encouraging comments so that I can get energy to make more videos. And if you like this type of videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. So let's go to today's video. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like this type of videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. Bye until the next video.